The Bardac e3-440300-3042 is an AC drive with a capacity of 20 horsepower. We received this drive from a textile manufacturing facility, and this drive is off one of the weaving machines. This motor control appeared to be perfectly fine without any faults, but it would not turn a motor. This was cured after we unloaded and then reloaded the parameters for the drive. As shown in the video, we tested both forward and reverse commands at speed without any issue on the motor. At ERD, we test motor controls every day and have a full range of over 100 test motors that cover the majority of motor and feedback types used in the industrial industry.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.